Hey guys, so today's going to be a April Ipsy unbagging. So if you want to see what's in my Ipsy bag this month.
So I was totally excited to see that this month's bag had butterflies on it because if you know me, my obsession has always been butterflies. So the first product in the bag that we're going to look at is this blending brush by Glamour Dolls. I was really excited to see this come in this month's bag because previously I wanted the Lisa Frank one and I wasn't doing Ipsy back then. Now is this hemp lip balm. I tried it and it was really moisturizing and also worked really good for my dry lips. So it says ultra moisturizing herbal lip balm enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil, and you can definitely smell the ingredient in it. The next product is going to be this loose eyeshadow Copper by Meech and Mia. It's a really nice coppery bronze color. It would go great with like a basic black wing. Now is this clay mask. It's called Mud Masky. It's good for pore refining, hydrating, it's anti-aging, brightening, and smoothening. And then lastly, what I'm most excited about trying is this Starstruck eyeliner by Ciate. I don't know if that's how you say that. But it's got a star stamp, which I was really ecstatic about because you don't see like different shaped stamp things for the eye. It definitely would work a lot better if I took the time to like precisely put it on, but it's definitely really cool and different. The side of the eyeliner is like a regular eyeliner tip. I was gonna try it, but then I was like, it's just an eyeliner. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that was in the Ipsy bag this month. I'm definitely really impressed, and I really liked the theme and also that stamp.